These are the pattern pieces that we're gonna use to make this bag without a lining and with an interior pocket. Here's the plan. Connect A and B first, then sew the pocket on top. And notice that there are no holes for the pocket on the other side. Next, keep connecting A after the B and then B after the A. We're gonna close the loop at the end. Here is what the inside of our bag looks like right before the loop is closed. And here's what it looks like after. Now we're ready to make the bottom of the bag. Here I'm cutting the strengthener piece from a thicker leather. This is only if you want a firm bottom for your bag. And notice that I'm marking the corners here to be able to match when I'm sewing. Here's our original bottom piece, C. And we're on the wrong side of it, which means this is going to be on the inside of the bag. Using water-based leather glue, I'm applying on both surfaces generously and carefully matching the marks that are on the both sides of our leather now. Paste it in place. Now, when the bag is turned inside out, we're gonna connect the stitch in the middle with the hole that we just marked and start sewing there and close the loop. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna sew the upper side of the bag. This is a decorative stitch for me mostly. It's optional. You're gonna see that in the pattern. But I'm gonna sew everywhere except the handles, and I'm gonna incorporate the closures that are little ties that I cut from scraps in here in this step. And here's how it looks after. Now all that is left is connecting the handles, and we have a bag. And the handles connect to the bag like a sandwich. One handle is on top and the other is on the bottom. I just realized I don't have a finished footage of this version of the bag, but here is the version without the reinforcement on the bottom.